In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix Steam Remote Play lag. We'll keep everything inside Steam, focusing on the key settings that directly affect streaming performance. Start by opening Steam. In the top left corner, click Steam, then Settings, and head over to Remote Play. We'll work through a few options here to reduce latency and smooth out your stream. First, enable hardware encoding on the computer that's running the game, and enable hardware decoding on the device that's receiving the stream. These checkboxes offload video processing to your GPU, which is far better suited for this than your CPU. The result is lower system load and quicker frame delivery. Make sure both sides have their respective hardware options checked so you get the full benefit. If a box isn't available, your device may not support that feature, but enable it wherever you can. Next, set the video quality to fast on the client device. This option favors speed over visual effects, trimming back some image processing to keep frames moving with less delay. If you've been using balanced or beautiful, switching to fast is one of the quickest ways to cut input lag and hitching during gameplay. Now adjust the bandwidth limit. If you are on a reliable, high-speed connection, choose unlimited, so Steam can use as much throughput as needed. If you notice consistent stuttering or buffering, set a specific limit instead. Picking a value slightly below what your network can sustain helps prevent spikes from overwhelming the connection, which keeps the stream steady. Then set a resolution limit. Choose 1080p or 720p to reduce the amount of data being sent every second. Fewer pixels means less to compress and transmit, which lowers latency and smooths out performance. On a smaller screen, 720p often looks great while giving you a noticeable boost in responsiveness. Finally, enable prioritize network traffic. This tells Steam to mark your game stream data as high priority, so it gets handled first on your local network. It's a simple switch that helps cut down on delays when other apps or devices are using bandwidth at the same time. After applying these changes, start a game and pay attention to how it feels. If you still notice hiccups, revisit Remote Play and fine-tune bandwidth or resolution until the motion and input feel right for your setup. With hardware acceleration on, quality set to fast, bandwidth and resolution tuned, and network traffic prioritized, you should see a clear improvement. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.